heart is a balloon, shoots up through the stony ground. There's no room, no space to rent in this town. You're out of
U 5 metara Lisjak u posljednji trenutak
and
uspio.
the reason that you had to care, the traffic is stuck and you're not moving anywhere.
Bravo za Lisjaka, vrlo dobro spreman.
To take you out of this place, someone you could lend a hand.
Barić i sada to hvata Lisjak koji će malo...
Beautiful day, sky falls, you feel like it's a beautiful day. So let it get away on the road, but you've got no destination. You're in the mud, in a maze of her imagination. Your love is down, even if that doesn't ring true. You've been all over, and it's been all over you. It's a beautiful day, so let it get away. It's a beautiful day. Touch me, take me to that other place. Teach me, I know I'm not a hopeless case. See the world in green and blue. See China right in front of you. See the canyons broken by cloud. See the tuna fleets clearing the sea out. See the bedroom fires at night. See the oil fields at first light. And see the bird with a leaf in her mouth. After the flood, all the colors came out.
Lijevi Bokto odlučio se i Banje za udarac i kakva sada intervencija tamo Lisjaka.
So let it get away, beautiful day. Touch me, take me to that other place.
Udarac Lisjak na pravom mjestu.
It's me, I know I'm not a hopeless case. What you don't have, you don't need it now. What you don't know, you can feel it somehow. What you don't have, you don't need it now. Don't need it now. It was a beautiful day. This ain't a song for the broken hearted. A silent prayer for faith departed. I ain't gonna be just a face in the crowd. You're gonna hear my voice when I shout it out loud. It's my life, it's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever.
Kreću točno u Lisjaka. Lisjak u 79. minuti, a zatim i u 83.
Lisjak je već u 4. minuti bravurozno izvadio loptu iz rašlju, što je u 6. Lisjak izvanredno brani i udarac Linića.
Pokušava svoj udarac, ali Robert Lisjak hvata loptu bez problema. Jakolić odlično postavlja iz Pahića koji dobro puca, ali vratar Lisjak fantastičnom reakcijom vadi loptu iz gola. I popravni pokušaj domaćih Niko Tokić puca glavom, no Lisjak ponovo spašava svoja. Bacio Malčića u priliku, ali vratar Lisjak ipak sprečava na vrijeme.